So I totally spaced and forgot to do the other prizes to win. So I'm going to do that now. I also would like to thank everyone for joining me for this class, and be sure to leave comments, questions. You can direct message me questions. Be sure to tag friends, and start using these oils. They're so amazing. And again, I strongly suggest using Young Living just because of their reputation, their process that they go through. You know, creating the oils, distilling the oils. The company itself is reputable and knows what they're doing. They're setting the standards for the industry. So I have no fear putting these on my child. I have fear putting other brands on my child. So we have this one, the first one with your tantrum roller. The second one we have is a little boxy zipper pouch makeup bag. Just lined with some yellow. And it also includes bath salts. These are lavender stress-free bath salts for the holiday season. And I know moms need more bath salts than anyone. Need to take more baths. So that's prize number 2. I totally forgot to do these, and with the time limit thing, it just was throwing me off. Prize number 3 is another zipper bag. This one's actually probably my favorite. It's a little bit bigger. It's flat, so it fits, in the diaper bag, in a purse. It's lined with this really pretty flower marigold color, and the outside is black felt. And you will also get bath salts with that one. And they are homemade bath salts. If you came to my make and take party, we made these. I added, these are lavender and rosemary. And then the last giveaway that I have is probably the best thing that I ever got while I was in Young Living. It's answered every question that I've ever had. I feel it's very valuable. So if you are just now beginning your essential oil journey, I strongly suggest you try to win this or go out and get your own. I call it the Essential Oil Bible because it's everything for essential oils. It has dilution charts and has every single essential oil in here. It has the blends of Young Living. It has everything you need to know about everything. Which ones are safe for what reasons. This is a little more cautious than what I do. For certain, for obvious reasons. They don't want to get in trouble or anything, and they're trying to go to such a broad group of people. Anyways, so this is just amazing. So if you got a random oil and you're like, I don't know what to do with this, like I felt that way with Raven. I didn't like it because I didn't know how to use it, and then I just referred to my essential oil Bible, and it told me, it's used. Raven is used for lung health and for breathing. Excuse me, it's getting late. And it also comes with your bath salts. So, last giveaway. And I'm super excited to give this one away because it is so incredible. And, if you have, if something comes up, if you break out, like I'm breaking out, I just looked up, they have a section for specific things in your body. So like, let's see, pregnancy, it has safe oils to use and how to dilute. If I was I'm breaking out, so I would go to acne or skin irritations, and it would tell me exactly what oils to use. Kidney disorders, it tells you what to use. Joint stiffness or pain, it tells you what oils to use and how to dilute, how to apply. This is an incredible resource. Again, I also not again, but I also did use to get a lot of my research for um, oils with babies and toddlers. I used Betsy Bosom's book. Let me grab it real quick and I'll show you what. I got this book, Betsy Bosom's Baby Book, and it's an awesome resource. It has a bunch of recipes. It has so in the back, it has this awesome guide to like what's safe for pregnancy, what's safe for babies, what's safe for newborns. It's an awesome resource if you're trying to get pregnant, if you are pregnant, if you have children. This is an awesome resource. There's also another resource that I used. I don't have her book, but I watched a lot of people talk about her book. And I've seen it in the stores. It's Gentle Babies by Deborah Rayburn. And these are like, I think they're like $12 on Amazon, both of these books. And they're just amazing resources for if you're interested in oils with children and you're still, after this, you're still like, I'm still confused or whatever. And I would love to help you with those questions. But those are two awesome books that also are great resources. So I hope this class helped you, and I hope maybe I answered some questions, maybe I piqued your interest in oils. Again, I cannot reiterate this enough. Please do your research about what oils you're putting on your child, not about specific oils like clove versus eucalyptus, but about specific brands. Please research if you're not already involved in Young Living. Make up your mind for yourself. Maybe you find a different company you like. Do your research. That's all I'm going to say is I strongly encourage you to use Young Living and to look them up and, get on the phone and talk with them or email them. They're really quick to respond. They're really responsive. I've never had a bad interaction with Young Living person on the phone. They always answer all my questions. They know exactly what's going in the soil. They know exactly what's going on the plants. They know exactly what's being planted where and when. And, they don't just have farms in America. They have them all over the world because different parts of the world grow things better than we do. So, again, I encourage you to do your research. And thank you so much for watching all my videos and hanging out with me tonight or whenever you watch it. Bye.